Hello and welcome. Today, we're continuing our journey through force and energy with 20 new questions on light, levers, and slopes. Think carefully, choose your answers, and let's see how much you remember. Are you ready? Let's begin. What happens when a beam of light hits a mirror? The light bounces off the mirror's surface instead of passing through it. Scissors are an example of dash. The pivot between the blades acts as the fulcrum between the effort and the load. What class of lever is this? The load is between the fulcrum wheel and the effort handles. Why is this useful? The ramp spreads the lifting force over a longer distance. What causes this? Sunlight bends and bounces inside raindrops, splitting into different colors. Which class of lever is this? The cap is the load and is between the rim of the bottle, which acts as the fulcrum, and your hand, which is the effort. The shadow forms because light dash. The tree blocks light, so a dark area forms behind it. Which simple machine principle does it use? A leaning ladder acts as a slope, making it easier to reach height. Why is the road winding? Winding the road reduces its steepness, so vehicles use less force to climb. What class of lever is shown? The central pivot is the fulcrum, sitting between the two children.
Wow, you've made it halfway. Great job. Are you ready for a fun break? Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan is known as the land of the rising sun. Did you get it right? Tongue twister. Larry's little red lorry rolled along the rocky road. Try saying it 3 times without making a mistake or laughing. Did you make it?
Ready for round 2? Builders push cement bags up a ramp instead of lifting them straight up because the ramp dash. A ramp lets the same weight be moved using less force, spread over a longer path. Why are mirrors placed at sharp road bends? The mirror reflects an image of the road ahead, warning drivers of oncoming traffic. Why are many roofs sloped? The slope lets gravity pull rainwater down and away from the house. A carpenter uses a crowbar to remove a nail. Which simple machine is being used? The crowbar pivots on a fulcrum to multiply the force applied to the nail. Why is a wheelchair ramp important? The gentle slope lets a wheelchair move up without needing steps. Spotlights in a theater help because they dash. Spotlights direct a concentrated beam so the audience's attention is drawn to the performer. A learner wants to lift a heavy rock using the least effort. Which tool would be most suitable? A crowbar is a lever that multiplies the force applied, making heavy lifting easier. A rainbow appears after rain when the sun shines. Why? Sunlight refracts and reflects inside each droplet, splitting into separate colors. A builder chooses a long ramp instead of lifting bricks straight up. What is the main advantage? A longer inclined plane needs less force, although the distance traveled is greater. Why do scissors make cutting easier? Scissors are first-class levers. The pivot acts as the fulcrum, making cutting easier.
Fantastic effort! Whether you got every question right or learned something new today, you're becoming a better scientist every time you play. See you in the next challenge.